I'm here in the shop out here working on a little project here. I'm making a manifold to go on one of the yard hydrants across the street for my daughter. And so I'm using one of the 3/4 T's I got. And I'm using, I ordered some more of the female garden hose swivels, PVC. I'm using 3 of the male garden hose attachments that I made a short video on because the package was damaged, had a hole in it. Fortunately, they didn't fall out or they got shoved back in. So, but I need to cut some pieces. So we're going to go over to the saw and cut the pieces I need for this, which is 7 short ones and 2 long ones. So we're going to head over there now. Okay, so what I have here is I got a little wooden stop on here. I got a piece of PVC 3/4 inch pipe. I need to cut 2 pieces of it, that length there. So excuse the noise. I'll probably mute the noise out here in a second. All right, let's start getting pieces ready here. this was this side of it was a little bit easier because it had the center line of the mold came down here. The other one I put the 90 on the other way. It really doesn't make a difference on 90, but it just, you remember to do that, it works a little bit easier. There we go. There we have it. This will go on the hydrant, and then they connect their timer with their, they have a timer like this they'll put on there for their sprinkler in their yard. This extra one here, I'll run over to out into the field where I'm going to be putting a sprinkler of my own out in the field where I just rotor-tilled and stuff. And this is the one they'll use to fill up the chicken water and stuff with. So this is done, ready to go. I just got to take it over there and put it on.